push you farther away. No, I don't wanna play no games. I just wanna call, see if we're okay, babe. All I wanna ask you is, are you down for love? Are you up for someone to be together, be together? Babe, I want your love. I'll be the one you trust. You're all that matters, all that matters. I got feelings about you. Oh yeah, butterflies every time I'm with you. Oh yeah. I don't wanna push you farther away. No, I don't wanna play no games. I just wanna call, see if we're okay, babe. All I wanna ask you is, I don't wanna push you farther away. No, I don't wanna play no games. I just wanna call, see if we're okay, babe. All I wanna ask you is, are you down for love? Are you up for someone to be together, be together? Babe, I want your love. I'll be the one you trust. You're all that matters, all that matters. Are you down for love? Are you up for someone to be together, be I wanna be together. Babe, I want your love, your love. I'll be the one you trust. You're all that matters, all that matters to me.
I gotta tell you something I could do. I could be running around chasing you, but I won't. Cause I got better things to do. Rather spend my precious time chasing somebody who loves me too. If I got $1 for every time you slam the door, I would be the richest girl alive, life. If you hadn't run away every time I asked you stay, you would sleep right next to me tonight. No, you didn't want me, all you wanted was a game to play, and you couldn't handle that I had my ways. Around your mind tricks and your side chicks, I'm a winner, babe. No, you didn't win this, it's a part of the game. In the beginning I just didn't know that you're an enemy I held too close. Now I know, cause you did everything to prove me wrong. You were not the guy I thought. Now I'm beating you at your own. Yeah. If I got $1 for every time you slam the door, I would be the richest girl alive, life. No, you didn't want me, all you wanted was a game to play, and you couldn't handle that I had my ways. Around your mind tricks and your side chicks, I'm a winner, babe. No, you didn't win this, it's a part of the game. Yeah, I beat you at your game, and if you were me, you would do the same. Man, I really love to play, and now that I won, then it's safe to say, no, you didn't want me, all you wanted was a game to play, and you couldn't handle that I had my ways. Around your mind tricks and your side chicks, I'm a winner, babe. No, you didn't win this, it's a part of the game. No, you didn't want me,
because I miss you so much. I miss the way we touch, and I need to make it stop. But I still think about it all the time. I won't stop until it's over. But I still think about it all the time. It's never over till it's over. There is no us no more. No.
So everything is nice and cleaned up now from Christmas. All the glitter and the flock from the tree is up. I'm gonna do some rearranging in here. Definitely gonna get rid of some things that I no longer want or see a use for. I really want to do something with this corner over here. I'm not feeling that right there at all. Coffee table's empty. I have some ideas on how I'm gonna style that. Definitely gonna restyle the console area over there. Love my flowers, so the flowers are gonna stay, but the other stuff, we gotta figure that out. Just a lot of changes that's gonna take place in this room. It's probably gonna be a little bit of gradual, but I am gonna at least start with a little bit of spring decor and stuff in here. So, but at least it's clean. And you guys know I can't do anything with the little ugly sofa in here. It is what it is. But I have some nice pretty pillows on top of it, you know what I mean? Yeah, but I just feel like it feels really naked and empty right now, so I definitely am gonna spruce it back up. My half bathroom downstairs is clean. It's so tight in here, so I couldn't really record myself cleaning it, but it is nice and tidy. Still loving it in here. So it keeps this theme year round, but I'm not gonna change it. I feel like it's already ready for spring, considering that it's a beach theme, so it'll stay this way.
But I still think about it all the time. It's never over till it's over, baby. Yeah. I've been thinking about you. Oh yeah. Oh, there ain't no one else that does the things that you do to me. That's why I get nervous. I try to be cool, but you see me the right way. Oh, and I see you too. I don't wanna push you farther away, no. I don't wanna play no games. I just wanna call, see if we're okay, babe. All I wanna ask you is, I don't wanna push you farther away, no. I don't wanna play no games. I just wanna call, see if we're okay, babe. All I wanna ask you is, are you down for love? Are you up for someone to be together, be together? Babe, I want your love. I'll be the one you trust. You're all that matters, all that matters. I got feelings about you. Oh yeah. Oh. Butterflies every time I'm with you. Oh yeah. I don't wanna push you farther away, no. I don't wanna play no games. I just wanna call, see if we're okay, babe. All I wanna ask you is, I don't wanna push you farther away, no. I don't wanna play no games. I just wanna call, see if we're okay, babe. All I wanna ask you is, are you down for
All right, kitchen is nice and clean. I'm gonna decorate it for spring as well. I don't think I'm gonna keep the black. We'll probably bring that back out in the fall, but stick with something lighter. This color scheme on my table is gonna stay the same. I'm still in love with my pretty peachy blush color and loving the mint green, so I'm definitely gonna be sticking with this color scheme. So more than likely I'm just gonna replace the black with more blush, peach, and white in here. But it is late at night, guys, so I am about to be done. Everything's nice and clean. We are ready to start decorating for fall and do some updates and some changes, and I will catch y'all in my next video. Mama's tired. Bye, guys.